0 in use. Advise on initial contact. You have information Yankee.
Where's the switch button?
Where's what?
The switch button?
The what?
The switch button.
Switch button, what's that mean?
Swap channels?
I can't hear you what you're saying. Here's your radio selector.
Yeah, to like flop those units.
Com. Let's see, that's a standby. That's a good question, I don't know, let's see. Alright, here. That's weird. Anyway, you got ground up right there.
Alright.
This is now COM 1, COM 2. Could just leave it on tower. And here, COM 2. Talk to ground. I'll hold the tower.
Alright.
Okay, that's how I do it.
Did I just say landing Palo Alto?
Yeah, you like a right down departure for landing Palo Alto.
Alright.
San Carlos ground, Bonanza 3239 Whiskey is at Air Rogers. We have Yankee, like to taxi to 30 for VFR Truckee, flight following at NorCal if you're able. HP 32 San Carlos Tower, roger. Make right traffic runway 30, the wind is 29013, gust 16, altimeter 3011. San Carlos ground, Bonanza 3239 Whiskey. Bonanza 39 Whiskey, I did hear your request, I'll be right back with you. CHP 32, there is helicopter parking on either side, your choice when you get close.
San Carlos ground, Cessna 21745 at Julia parking, ready to taxi with information Yankee for right downwind departure landing Palo Alto.
Bonanza 323, 9 Whiskey, San Carlos ground, squawk 4236, NorCal departure frequency 125.35, and confirm you have Yankee, please. 4236 and 12535, we do have Yankee, 39 Whiskey. Bonanza 39 Whiskey, thank you, runway 30, taxi via Juliet. 30 via Juliet, 39 Whiskey. Cessna 21745, San Carlos ground, runway 30, taxi via Juliet.
Runway 30, taxi via Juliet, Cessna 21745.
Cessna 745, you may have said it, but I missed it. Confirm you have Yankee also, please.
Cessna 21745, Yankee.
Okay.
Brake check. That's good.
Airplane. Alright, airplane.
Powerful.
Bonanza 3239 Whiskey, San Carlos Tower. Traffic at the Cambiar Towers is a helicopter, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
I don't need to do it for this air.
Yeah, I guess we should have, but it's just really windy behind you.
Were your intentions to land on the Burger King side?
So hold your control.
HP 32, roger that. Runway 30, clear to land. And air taxi full length down the length of the runway. And once you're over the stopway at the far end, hover taxi across the grass to the west side ramp. Traffic Watch 2370 Foxtrot, San Carlos Tower. Keep 101 to your left side, altitude at your discretion, San Carlos altimeter 3011. Advance 39 Whiskey, helicopter traffic is no factor. Advance 39 Whiskey, 39 Whiskey traffic coming over Hayward now, inbound to San Carlos as an experimental at 1,600. Advance 39 Whiskey, your maintenance frequency for now, new departure frequency will be 124.4.
Up checklist, brake set.
Traffic Watch 70 Foxtrot approved as requested.
Take up.
Welcome.
Flight controls.
Advance 39 Whiskey, did you copy new departure on 24.4?
Correct.
Advance 39 Whiskey, roger that. And traffic's now 2 north of the toll plaza, 1,800, it's an experimental. Remain outside Bravo and contact north departure now, 124.4.
Primary and unlocked. 1700 RPM.
Experimental 29 Tango Alpha, San Carlos Tower. Roger, make right traffic for runway 30. Proceed direct, the wind 270 at 12, gust 16. Traffic at the shoreline just past KNBR, northeastbound, the Bonanza 1,300.
Left. 50 good enough.
What?
50 drop.
Yeah.
Okay. Heavy. Back view is good. Amps, volts. For this plane, I just have to check that.
Bonanza is at 11 o'clock and 2 miles, 1,800 passenger left side northeastbound.
Oil pressure good. Oil temperature is fine. Idle check.
HP 32, winds 26012, gust 16, departure from the ramp is at your own risk. Proceed as requested.
Checklist complete. Pre-takeoff checklist. Flaps 0. Make sure best power. Power bead off. HI to come through.
HP 32, traffic high to your left, traffic watch Cessna orbiting.
Doors and windows, XPR up.
HP 32, you can keep your old squawk code.
Back and light on. Road. And time.
Terminal 9, Tango Alpha, traffic near can be opposite direction, helicopter headed towards the toll plaza.
Board plan on takeoff if it don't look right.
HP 32, traffic high to your right, an experimental 1,000 feet opposite
direction.
direction.
Once we take off and it fails, we're picture 65 land straight ahead. We're above 500 feet. Consider turning back and landing on the runway.
Terminal 9, Tango Alpha, runway 30, clear to land.
Okay, what's the frequency for ATIS? Oh, there's a...
HP 32, roger.
We just ignored a 5 at the end.
I can't hear you, what'd you say?
We just ignored a 5 at the end.
No, you just can't see it. You gotta pull the little knob out to get to 275. See how it goes a smaller separation?
Yeah.
Because usually it goes by 5s, 0.05.
Yeah.
Okay. If I go pull it out, I go by 0.025. That's really 275.
Alright.
Okay, let's make that active. Switch over to tower, comm 1.
Yep.
Right here. Then we'll figure out how to flip on my I guess we figured that out now.
HP32 traffic
there it is.
at the mile east of the toll plaza. Opposite direction, 1,000.
Alright, takeoff, full throttle, 2,280 RPM, oil pressure drink, go 255.
HP32, contact over tower now, 10.2. That traffic watch Cessna's with approach control, so you won't be talking to them. They're almost over the toll plaza now.
Okay, thanks a lot for your help. Go to Hayward 32.
Sparrow 2 Tango Alpha, in the event that you do go around, there is a Cessna just off the departure end orbiting at 900 feet.
Alright, Tango Alpha, thanks.
Just move up there, it's fine. Nobody's here. You're cleared. Okay, well, let them know you're ready for takeoff whenever you feel it.
Alright. San Carlos Tower, Cessna 21745, ready to take off, runway 30.
Sparrow 9 Tango Alpha, taxi to the hangar via Mike.
Mike to the hangar, thanks, 9 Tango Alpha.
Traffic 70 Foxtrot, can you stay west of the extended center line this pass?
Affirmative.
Roger, 70 Foxtrot, traffic will be departing a Cessna.
75.
Cessna 21745, traffic left side departure corridor is a Cessna, runway 30 clear for takeoff.
Runway 30 clear for takeoff, Cessna 21745.
San Carlos Tower, traffic watch 2387 uniform, past toll plaza, San Mateo Bridge. Request San Mateo Bridge transition.
Traffic watch 2387 uniform, San Carlos Tower, the altimeter is 3011. If you stay on my frequency, you got to circumnavigate the high span. You can travel over KNBR and then intercept 101. Otherwise, you got to go to San Francisco Tower.
Could you please hand me off to San Francisco?
Traffic watch 87 uniform, descend at or below 1,000 feet. We're now in the process of handoff.
Oh, that's good.
Outside of Bravo at or below 1,000, 87 uniform.
Traffic watch 87 uniform, contact San Francisco Tower now, 120.5.
120.5, San Francisco, 87 uniform.
Tower 7055, your traffic upwind, maintaining this separation.
Traffic watch 70 Foxtrot, Roger, you can just roll in behind him on the upwind.
Roger, we'll come. Another accident.
What's that?
I think there's another accident. There was one southbound earlier, now I think there's a northbound one.
Yeah, it's right there at, just north of Ralston.
That's a 1926 Foxtrot, San Carlos ground, runway 30, taxi via Mike.
Oh no, 1,200.
Alright.
Motorcycle, I think.
Where's the incident just up at Ralston? Cessna 21745, frequency change approved.
Roger that, Cessna 21745.
Stability 30. Sky conditions 15,000 scattered. Temperature 20, dew point 7. Altimeter 3011. GPS approach and use landing and departing runway 31. Hazardous weather information available on high watts, flight watch, and flight service frequencies. Use caution for bird activity on and in the vicinity of the airport. Read back hold short instructions and runway assignment. Advise ground control of departure request. Advise our initial contact. You have information, Juliet. Tower information, Juliet, time 2247 Zulu, wind 320 at 14, visibility 30, sky conditions 15,000 scattered, temperature 20, dew point 7,
Juliet.
Star 2 Mike Alpha, extend upwind to the auto bridge. Runway 31, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 2 Mike Alpha. Taxi 2 Mike Alpha, like to request southwest departure.
Star 2 Mike Alpha for a southwest departure, make a left on bar departure.
Left on bar departure to Mike Alpha. One up to contact Palo Alto.
Now.
Cutlass 10 Victor, turn crosswind. 10 Victor.
Palo Alto Tower, Cessna 21745, inbound for landing.
You're with Whiskey, or no, Juliet, and your position.
Palo Alto Tower, say again?
You're just off San Carlos.
Palo Alto Tower, Cessna 21745, off San Carlos, inbound for landing with Whiskey.
Juliet,
Cessna 21745, Palo Alto Tower.
Juliet.
To enter the left downwind, runway 31, keep the 101 off your right.
Roger that, Cessna 21745.
And we have Juliet.
We have Juliet 21745.
For traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles entering the left downwind at 1000, the Cessna.
4113 will stay to the south, sit on the right, looking for traffic.
Star 2 Mike Alpha, suggest 10 degrees left, sir, return to the upwind.
Return to the Alpha, for 2 Mike Alpha.
Cutlass 10 Victor, traffic just behind and to your right at Diamond Star, no factor. Number 2, follow a Cessna, short final, runway 31, clear for the option, short approach approved.
Number 2, traffic inside, 31, 6410 Victor.
Cessna 745, traffic, 1 moving 12 o'clock, 3 miles, correction, 2.5 miles opposite direction, altitude indicates 1,600 Cessna, they're on the opposite side of the freeway.
Looking for traffic, Cessna 21745.
Okay, let's start slowing to more of a downwind power setting and speed.
Palo Alto Tower, November 709er Mike Alpha is ready to go, tree 1, right down Barton.
Hold 1,000 feet.
709er Mike Alpha, Palo Alto Tower, pull up, hold short of runway 31.
9er Mike Alpha, hold short, tree 1.
Cessna 113, previous traffic, 12 o'clock, moving 1 o'clock, about a mile and a half, 1,000 indicated, you have in sight?
4113, looking negative traffic.
Right up there.
Traffic inside, Cessna 21745.
Cessna 745, roger. Number 2, runway 31, cleared to land. I will call the base for departures.
Number 2 for runway 31, going base, Cessna 21745. Good afternoon, traffic, watch 2370 Foxtrot 3101 southbound.
Driver watch 2370 Foxtrot, Palo Alto Tower, transition approved along the 101, Palo Alto altimeter 3010. Traffic, 12 moving 11 o'clock, 3 miles opposite direction, altitude indicates 1,600, the Cessna and bound to San Carlos.
Roger, we're looking 70 Foxtrot.
Cessna 113, resume on navigation, traffic 11 o'clock, 2.5 miles opposite direction, altitude indicates 1,800, Cessna.
4113, hit it, San Carlos.
Palo Alto Tower, Bonanza 71 Victor Charlie, run up, ready for IFR would be.
Star 2 Mike Alpha, traffic 12 o'clock, moving 1 o'clock, a mile and a half northwestbound, altitude indicates 1,600, Cessna. Additional traffic 2 o'clock, 3 miles, eastbound, altitude indicates 2,000, Cessna. Stop or your climb.
So Mike Alpha has first traffic inside, looking for the second one. Tower 7 Foxtrot, traffic inside, we'll maintain visual separation. I also have the guy crossing my left to right side.
Cessna 113, roger. Contact San Carlos Tower 119.0.
64113, that wasn't me, but I do have the traffic just passing overhead now.
Cessna 113, roger. Contact San Carlos Tower 119.0.
113.
Mike Alpha has both traffic inside.
What's your sequence?
Bonanza number 2,
and he's calling my base.
Clear for takeoff, right from Barton.
9er Mike Alpha is clear for takeoff, tree 1.
Cessna 71 Victor Charlie, Palo Alto Tower, hold for IFR release and hold your position.
Hold the position, 1 Victor Charlie.
Cessna 745, base turn approved.
Landing base, Cessna 21745.
From 3-1.
Travel at 70 Foxtrot, contact Moffett Tower 119.55.
955, good day, 705.
Star 2 Mike Alpha, frequency change approved there.
Good day, 2 Mike Alpha. 6410 Victor, ready in sequence, crossing the short approach.
Code 10 Victor, roger. Understand you want a short approach. Hold on the T-bar.
Holding on the T-bar, 6410 Victor.
Charlie, taxi up 2 and hold short runway 31.
Taxi up 2 and hold short, 31, 1 Victor Charlie. And Tower Comanche 5901 to Papa, not sure you got my transmission ready to go from 31.
Comanche 5901 to Papa, Palo Alto Tower, number 3, hold position.
Will do, 5901 to Papa, holding position.
And 1 Victor Charlie, runway 31, line up and wait.
Line up and wait on 31, 1 Victor Charlie.
And hold it up here.
Atlas 10 Victor, taxi up 2, hold short runway 31.
Hold short 31, 6410 Victor.
That's 6 Mike Delta, extend down, I'll call your base.
You'll call my base, 6 Mike Delta.
That's 745 onto the parallel, contact ground.
I'll Charlie contact ground, Cessna 21745.
Actually, you want to stay in the pattern.
Charlie, runway 31.
So you told him you're inbound for landing. You should have said inbound for pattern work.
31, 1 Victor Charlie.
Now he thinks you're going to parking.
I stopped.
And Sierra 21745, we'd like to stay in the pattern if we could, text me.
Cessna 745, runway 31, taxi back via the parallel will remain this frequency, and advise termination.
Text back each time with you, 749.
Cutlass 10 Victor, Bonanza heads the right turn out, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Runway 31, clear for takeoff, 10 Victor. I just keep the lights on.
No. Go ahead and clean up. Leave the beacon on, strobe, and go off. Yeah.
Bonanza 9 Mike Alpha, contact NorCal approach 124.4.
And this is fine.
124.4.
You can just leave that in. Nowadays we're leaving it on.
Right down, about to turn base, runway 3 and line up and wait.
Line up and wait, Comanche 125.
Yeah, this can go neutral.
Delta. Runway 31, continue, turn, runway 31, continue, traffic holding position, turn base.
Oh, weird plane, huh?
6 Mike Delta.
Bonanza 1 Victor Charlie,
Good landing or take it off?
departures.
Full contact.
Taking off, I think. Soft fuel, man.
Comanche 12 Papa, right Dunbar, and runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, Comanche 12 Papa.
Cessna 745, taxi up 2 and hold short runway 31.
Hold short runway 31, Cessna 21745.
That's 6 Mike Delta, runway 31, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option, front Delta.
Comanche 12 Papa, Cessna head is in the pattern, keep him off your right.
Will do, Comanche 12 Papa, inside. Comanche 12 Papa, okay to start a right turn eastbound.
Comanche 12 Papa, approved. Cutlass 10 Victor, for the short approach, make left 360.
Left 360, 01 Victor.
Cessna 745, Cessna on the left now when maneuvering, runway 31, line up and wait.
Runway 31, line up and wait, Cessna 21745.
Comanche 12 Papa, contact NorCal approach 124.4.
124.4, Comanche 12 Papa.
And Cutlass 10 Victor, plan for the short approach, runway 31, continue traffic holding position.
Continuing, 10 Victor.
Cessna 6 Mike Delta, onto the parallel, suit able.
Say that. Say again.
Cessna 7 745, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Runway 31, clear for takeoff, 71745.
Cutlass 10 Victor, traffic on the roll, short approach, runway 31, cleared for the option.
Runway 31, clear for the option, 10 Victor.
RPM's good. Speed alarm. Rotate. This right here,
What's that?
this little peak right here. That what I think?
No, the Cooley's landing's right there. See that outcropping?
Cessna 6 Mike Delta, runway 31, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 6 Mike Delta, 31.
You keep turning, you want to be 90 degrees to 310.
Close 10 Victor on the parallel, contact ground, thanks.
On parallel, contact ground 10 Victor, thanks.
Yeah, right there, roll out.
6 Mike Delta, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 6 Mike.
And turn down. I'm on like 2,000 RPM.
Cessna 745, runway 31, clear for the option.
Runway 31, clear for the option, Cessna 21745.
Very fast. You got to be at 100 knots to put any flap down. I'm sorry, 100 miles per hour, so it's about, what, 80 something knots. Right there, that's the top of the white. You can do flaps 10.
When do we usually come down at this airport?
Yeah, beam the numbers basically, reducing power if you're number one.
Reducing power.
What's that?
Reducing power.
Okay. Alright, that's better. They had that squelch turn way up.
Palo Alto Tower, RV86 Juliet Victor's ready at 31.
RV86 Juliet Victor, Palo Alto Tower, taxi up 2 and hold short runway 31.
Holding short at 31, 6 Juliet Victor.
Palo Alto Tower, Centurion 6035, November is inbound.
Centurion 6035, November, Palo Alto Tower, make straight in runway 31.
Hey, straight in, runway 31, Centurion 35, November.
Centurion 35 November, verify information, Juliet.
We have Juliet in 35 November.
Cessna 6 Mike Delta, extend down, plan to turn base at the amphitheater, follow Centurion on about a 5-mile final.
Turn base at the amphitheater, traffic follows in sight, clear for the option, 31, 6 Mike Delta.
RV6 Juliet Victor, Centurion 3-mile final, runway 31, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 31, 6 Juliet Victor.
Centurion 35 November, runway 31, continue, traffic holding in position.
Okay, continue, Centurion 35 November.
Tower 6 Mike Delta, we have a Cessna past the amphitheater.
6 Mike Delta, follow the Centurion number 2.
All right, you can't let it do that. You can't let it balloon like that. You gotta add some power to soften the touchdown or go around. It's going up there pretty high, you're just kind of hanging out.
Yeah.
You can't do that. Stay active with it every second, okay? Because it's just gonna go balloon up from the wind and lose the wind and drop in.
Yeah.
Yeah, so be ready with the throttle or go around. Yeah. The squirrel on top of that light.
RV6 Juliet Victor, winds 300 at 15, runway 31.
Eating it.
Takeoff. Go takeoff 31, 6 Juliet Victor. Centurion 35 November, number 1, runway 31, clear to land.
Clear to land 31, Centurion 35 November.
Cessna 6 Mike Delta, number 2, runway 31, clear for the option.
Number 2, clear for the option, 31, 6 Mike Delta.
Yeah, it's a little gusty this afternoon. Just have to be careful to get in those gusts.
Yeah.
Carpet? Okay. And once they're up, you can go back to neutral.
Alright.
Probably a better place to leave it. Yeah, it's a little windy today. Or I should say gusty now. Not as bad as yesterday though, that was crazy.
Tower, this is Herman 26130.
Gusting 2.4 yesterday.
St. Helens?
Yeah.
Runway 26130, Palace Tower, taxi up 2 and hold short, runway 31.
Hold short, run 130.
Cessna 6 Mike Delta, cancel landing clearance, traffic will be holding in position.
6 Mike Delta, roger.
Coming 130, Cessna on about 2 miles from be ready to go, runway 31, line up and wait.
And line up and wait, command 130.
Cessna 6 Mike Delta, runway 31, continue, traffic holding in position.
Continue to 31, 6 Mike Delta.
Centurion 35 November, no delay on the parallel, please, traffic holding in position, contact ground.
35 November, roger.
Coming 130, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Rolling, Herman 130.
Cessna 6 Mike Delta, number 1, runway 31, clear for the option.
Number 1, clear for the option, 31, 6 Mike Delta.
Cessna 745, taxi up 2, hold short, runway 31.
Hold short, runway 31, Cessna 21745.
Grumman 130, squawk 037 tree.
0373.
Cessna 745, runway 31, line up and wait.
Runway 31, line up and wait, Cessna 21745.
Cessna 745, follow Cessna ahead, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Runway 31, clear for takeoff, Cessna 21745.
Ground 130, contact NorCal approach 124.4.
4.4. RPM's good, oil pressure's good, speed of left. To 5 knots, rotate.
Mike Delta number 1, runway 31, clear adoption.
Clear adoption number 1, Houston Delta.
Cessna 745, Cessna short final number 2, runway 31, clear for the option.
Runway 31, number 2, clear for the option, Cessna 21745.
Alto information, kilo current, wind 330 at 10, altimeter 3009er, runway 31 in use, information kilo.
Tower, damage star 392 Mike Alpha, 5 miles west, requesting transition to the east over the field at 2000 feet.
Number 392 Mike Alpha, Palo Alto Tower, Palo Alto altimeter 3009er, transition approved.
Transition approved, 2 Mike Alpha.
Alto Tower, this is Strawberry 381 Charlie Alpha over at the 3-1 run-up area, ready to take off for depart left.
Strawberry 381 Charlie Alpha, Palo Alto Tower, Cessna on about a mile and a half right base, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Runway 31, clear for takeoff. 1 Charlie Alpha.
Number 2 Mike Alpha, the class Charlie San Jose starts in about 2 miles if you're on your present heading. If you want to remain on that heading, you need to do at or below 1,400, otherwise turn left about 20 degrees.
Yes, sir, we will turn left and also keep below 1,400 feet, 2 Mike Alpha.
Reduce power. Keep it over center line. Keep the nose straight. You move your feet around to keep the nose straight. Your hands are moving, but your feet aren't
Runway
moving.
31, line up and wait.
Level off.
Line up and wait, 3-1, 6 Mike Delta.
Hold it off, nose straight with your feet. That was pretty good. See how you end up?
Yeah.
Not bad. But keep those feet moving. If those hands are moving,
Yeah.
the feet should be moving too.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Pretty good result there.
This is 6 Mike Delta, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 3-1, 6 Mike Delta.
Number 2 Mike Alpha, class Charlie is now no factor for you, so resume on navigation and frequency change approved.
Okay, change approved. Thank you, sir. 2 Mike Alpha.
Hello, Towers, 73 Victor Uniform, over slack at 2000, and offered touch and goes with information kilo.
Or is it 73 Victor Uniform, Palo Alto Tower, make left traffic, runway 31 and ident.
Left traffic 31, 73 Victor Uniform.
Palo Alto Tower, Bonanza 2051 X-ray is ready to go, 3-1.
Bonanza 2051 X-ray, Palo Alto Tower, right Dumbarton, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
5-1 X-ray cleared for takeoff, and how about a right crosswind?
Bonanza 51 X-ray, right crosswind approved.
5-1 X-ray.
Designated Victor Uniform, looks like you're appeared set up for a left base entry. Cross the Bayshore Freeway at or above 1,500 on left base, runway 31.
Bayshore Freeway at or above 1,500, left base for runway 31, 73 Victor Uniform.
Cessna 745, Cessna on the right downwind midfield, runway 31, line up and wait.
Runway 31, line up and wait, Cessna 21745.
Cessna 6 Mike Delta, runway 31, continue, traffic holding in position.
6 Mike Delta.
Cessna 745, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Runway 31, clear for takeoff, Cessna 21745.
Cessna 6 Mike Delta,
Okay,
number
car
1,
piece should be
31,
off.
for the option.
Oh.
Number 1, 31, clear for the option, 6 Mike Delta.
Cessna 8 Victor Uniform, number 2, follows Cessna on a 1 mile right base, runway 31, clear land.
Calling Cessna on base 73 Victor Uniform.
Oh, versus
Cessna
you.
Victor Uniform,
Airspeed
runway
off.
31, number 2, cleared for the option and on the go, make right close traffic.
Clear for the option 73 Victor Uniform.
Clear for the option runway 31, 73 Victor Uniform, number 2. Delta, terminate back to advantage Victor Row.
Cessna 6 Mike Delta, taxi back to parking via the parallel and kilo, and monitor ground. Thanks.
Thanks, Sierra Alpha 6 Delta, monitor ground kilo.
Cessna 745, Cessna short final, number 2, runway 31, clear for the option.
Cessna 745, runway 31, clear for the option.
Bonanza 5-1 X-ray traffic, 12 o'clock, about 3 miles, same direction. You do have about, appears a 20 knot overtake on him. Altitude indicates 2,400, contact NorCal approach 124.4.
124.4, 5-1 X-ray. NorCal approach, Bonanza 2051 X-ray, 2,500.
Bonanza 5-1 X-ray still on Palo Alto, NorCal 124.4.
Have I done a touch and go with you before?
Very long ago.
Okay, let's try a touch and go. It won't be a straight out. What do you clear you for?
1020, power ident, make left traffic, runway 31.
Left traffic, ident for 31, A1020.
And Sierra 745, so we're on short final. After this touch and go, be a straight out for San Carlos.
745 approved.
Okay, so on the touch and go, just reach up and push the flap lever to the up position, leave it.
Alright.
RB goes off, full throttle. Okay, less power, big updraft, you're a little higher. Less power. Less power. Going to idle. Idle. Okay, flaps up, here we go. Flaps up, here we go. Go, 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 go. Carve it off. Go.
Cessna 85, rotate. 1, runway 31, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 31.
Yeah,
7350 uniform.
And climbing at what, 70, what, 3? What speedway?
73. I'm in 1,200?
Yeah.
1,500, few clouds, 20,000.
Warrior 020, Cessna 1, wing up right base, number 2, runway 31, turn land.
011. Expect a visual approach. Runway 30 is in use. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Zulu. San Carlos Tower information, Zulu. 2347
745,
Zulu.
exchange approved, San Carlos 119.0.
119.0 for 745. Okay, it's information Zulu.
Yeah.
Just off Palo Alto, bound for landing with Zulu.
San Carlos Tower, Cessna 21745, just off Palo Alto, inbound for landing with Zulu.
Cessna 21745, San Carlos Tower, make straight in approach, runway 30, report a 3 mile final.
3 mile straight on approach, Cessna 21745.
Cessna 1926 Foxtrot, number 1, runway 30, clear for the option.
Number 130, clear for the option, 26 Foxtrot, thanks.
AT&T building's about 3 out.
Do I just aim for the building?
Pretty much.
Alright.
Star 798 Delta Sierra, San Carlos Ground, have you commenced taxi yet? Thank you. Dreamline 119 San Carlos Ground, taxi SVA via Mike, Charlie, and Kilo taxiways. Hold short of runway 30 at Charlie intersection. Dreamline 119, traffic on a base leg to final turn at 1.25 miles, taxi across runway 30 at Charlie.
I think you want you to report a 3 mile final as well.
Carlos Tower, jet prop 4.
Did I just say 3 mile final?
Yeah. Plaza landing with Victor.
Jet prop 4360 Victor, San Carlos.
Slow down.
Ident, make right traffic runway 30, report passing CMBR on the 45.
We'll report, and here's your ident, 60 Victor.
Cessna 745, follow Cessna 1 mile final, number 2, runway 30, clear to land.
Runway 31, number 2, clear to land, Cessna 21745.
Yeah, let's start slowing, like old 800. So you can get out flaps 10.
Jet prop 60 Victor.
Wait till you get this in the speed range.
5 miles north of San Carlos, verify 1000.
Old 800 level till you get in the speed range.
Thank you, drive west
There you go.
70 Foxtrot, contact Palo Alto Tower, 118.6.
70 Foxtrot, that's good.
Yeah. Second notch. Wow, 101 traffic's really bad.
Yeah. Alright, come down.
San Carlos Tower, Bay Flight 7 over Coyote Hills at 1,100, inbound for landing with Zulu.
Bay Flight 7, San Carlos Tower, ident, enter right base, runway 30, report the cement plant.
Enter right base for 30, report the cement plant, Bay Flight 7.
Jet prop 60 Victor, follow Cessna half mile final, number 2, runway 30, clear to land.
Number 23060 Victor.
Bay Flight 7, ident, observe 2 miles north, KGO, verify 1100.
1,100, Bay Flight 7.
Cessna 26 Foxtrot, runway 30, taxi via Kilo.
30 via Kilo, 26 Fox, thanks.
A little more power. Just a little more.
Jet prop 60 Victor, traffic is crossing the levee, short final.
Have a good sight, 60 Victor.
Do the numbers. This center line, no straight. Okay, look at. You gotta hold the wing down the wind. Yeah. Okay, you got it.
Cessna 745, turn left at Delta, correction at Charlie, taxi to parking via Kilo and Juliet, remain tower frequency.
Charlie via Juliet and Kilo and ground frequency. Cessna 21745.
Cessna 745, you can just monitor ground en route to parking.
Monitor ground.
Monitor ground, Cessna 21745.
Clear that runway for him, pull up, and we'll clean up. That's a lot windier up here, isn't it?
San Carlos Tower, yeah. 79 Diamond Star 7908 Delta Sierra, ready to go.
Alright.
Diamond Star 798 Delta Sierra, San Carlos Tower, taxi up to and hold short, runway 30.
Hold short, 8 Delta Sierra.
Read a taxi?
Yeah, he said go ahead and taxi, but he said to monitor ground.
30, taxi via Juliet.
Yeah.
Taxi 30, Bay 54.
There you go. Yeah, not too bad down there. Looking pretty good.
Yeah.
We need a nice calm day up here.
Ground, JetProp 4360 Victor is clear of 30, request taxi Mike Hangers.
JetProp 4360 Victor, San Carlos ground, taxi to the Mike Hangers via Juliet.
Via Juliet, 60 Victor.
Airport 1, San Carlos ground.
Go ahead for Airport 1.
Airport 1, there's a couple geese near the perimeter road, near the west side helicopter parking.
Roger, I'll head that way.